What should I do with my shoes?
Oh, you can put them right here.
Wow, this is nice.
Thank you. Sorry, it's a little tight in here.
You camping here by yourself all the time?
Yeah, pretty often.
Wow.
What about you?
I mean, I don't have a tent like this.
But like in that trailer with your girlfriend? Or?
Yeah. Yeah.
Nice.
Trailer. So.
Well, do you want to do anything else besides watch Netflix?
I don't know.
All right, this is it. $10. Time to see what I'm made of.
I can't afford everything. This is it. 7 days. Thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Too muddy, too many bugs. Too exposed. Too exposed. This is perfect. Elevated, protected, and a water source. Something's out there. Just deer. First night. It's just begun. I've only got a few matches left. The rope is almost gone, and there's no food. Everything needs to last for days. Hopefully this works. I need a more reliable food source. Patience. Patience. Nature takes its time. Okay, back to camp. After so long, there's actually a fish here. Thank you, nature. Just need to set this back up for next time.
I've got to fix this leak. Bark and pine should hold it. Just need to deepen this drainage. Perfect, safe and dry now.
All right, day 4. Platform built, shelter reinforced. Now for the food storage. Perfect, we're ready. I've got this.
Making traps is much smarter than just wandering around. The heaviest rain is here. We need to secure the roof. Faster, the trench needs to be deeper. The water is flowing away now, it's working. Day 5, I need to be smarter now. Clean water, shelter, firewood, fishing. Only these things matter. I need to save my strength.
Okay, let's see what we got. Just 2 good fish. Time to make this stronger.
The sharpest knives can cause accidents.
Yeah.
In a wilderness setting, small cuts can become serious. Almost there. Just 2 more days.
I've made significant progress today.
Yeah. It's looking like a proper base.
Let's get the food storage up before sunset. The shelter roof is solid. The drainage works perfectly. The bed is dry, the fire is out. The traps are set, food is stored.
The perfect end to a perfect week. I remembered this stream. I was so thirsty. Here are the berries. That's how I survived the first day. This is the...
Everything looks good. Ready for the next time.
I never thought a $10 decision could change everything. Look at this. It was all worth it. I found the stream there. The shelter stood here. I remember the storm. 7 days, complete.
Backpack secure, tools locked away, boots brushed, and ready to go. The perfect camp breakdown.
I could stay here forever. Let's go.
From the little village store, along the winding stream, to the shelter, the fishing grounds, and finally, the road home.
Hasn't one of us from Randa in the free into.
The mountains are incredible today. The air feels amazing. This road is perfect.
I never imagined that a simple $10 challenge would transform into the most profound experience of my life. Every small item played a role, each one essential to the journey.